Locking your card on Cricket Wireless is a straightforward process that helps protect your account from unauthorized use. Follow these steps to secure your card effectively. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Cricket Wireless account using the Cricket app or the official website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section. This is where you can manage your account preferences and security settings. Step 3. Locate card management. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Select the card to lock. Choose the specific card you want to lock. There should be an option to lock or disable the card temporarily to prevent any transactions. Step 5. Confirm the lock. After selecting the card, confirm your choice to lock it. You may receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that the card has been successfully locked. By following these steps, you can easily lock your card on Cricket Wireless, ensuring your account remains secure. If you need to unlock it later, simply follow the same steps and select the option to unlock the card.